Hello everyone, today I prepared a full homestyle meal wet fried tilapia in rich tomato sauce and onions with fresh spices. Then made ugali over charcoal stove. I started with a glimpse of the cooking, and as it rained outside, we enjoyed simple and soulful kitchen moments. Let me take you step by step. As I cooked, it started raining outside. Peaceful moments like this remind me of home. So fam, enjoy these moments with me. Such beautiful moments. Now let me show you the full process from beginning, step by step. I started by chopping my ingredients: fresh onions, fresh tomatoes, green pepper and coriander, simple and full of flavors. After cutting my ingredients, I pressed the pan over the fire and added cooking oil in it. When cooking oil got ready, I added in my onions to start sauteing them. Then I added in my Royco and star. Then I added in my curry powder and stirred a bit. After making sure that they are ready, I added in my tomatoes and stirred a bit. I sprinkled a pinch of salt in my sauce. So this is the fish I'm going to prepare. It is already deep fried. Once the sauce was thick, I pressed in already deep fried tilapia and added just a cup of water to simmer slowly. I allowed the fish to absorb all the flavors. Finally, I added in my fresh coriander to finish it off beautifully. I spread it on top of fish. And just like that, the wet fried tilapia fish was ready, juicy, saucy and full of home-cooked goodness. Now it was time to make soft ugali the perfect side. I used charcoal stove just like the traditional. I boiled water first, and here it was ready. I added in maize flour, and I began stirring. Bit by bit, it thickened and came together. I kept stirring until it was firm and smooth. I covered the pot for 5 minutes to make it firm. Thank you so much for watching. These little kitchen moments, even with the sound of rain and smoke from charcoal stove, bring warmth to the home. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe for more real home style cooking. See you next time.